Crafted by childhood experts, the Highlights Book of Things to Do is the essential book of pure creativity and inspiration, filled with over 500 screen-free things to do with kids. From future chefs and scientists to budding humanitarians, children will be inspired to explore, invent, create and do great things. This highly visual, hands-on activity book will banish boredom, foster imagination and unlock new interests. Your child can try engaging outdoor ideas like starting a bucket garden, tasty projects like making rock candy, science activities like building a water microscope, and so much more. Organized by interest and covering all aspects of childhood. Chapters include things to build, things to do in the kitchen, things to do with color and more. The final chapter, Do Great Things, encourages kids to become caring individuals, confident problem solvers, and thoughtful people who can change the world. With sturdy hardcover binding and a ribbon bookmark, this 372-page deluxe activity book is a perfect gift for kids. Find the link below and buy the book now.